Welcome back. It's 5:13 here. It's another cool morning, kind of cold morning if you're up on the North Shore. We have 30s once again. Wouldn't be surprised if we have some frost on some windshields north of the lake. Here on the South Shore, we're down to 36 in Belle Chase, 43 in Kenner, and look at the lakefront at 52. It's quite a wide range of temperatures from the east to the west bank here. Now, here's where we're headed today. It is looking gorgeous. We'll be in the upper 60s. Some of you will get close to 70 degrees with some sunshine and a few upper level clouds. But overall, this is one of those kind of picture perfect days. Not too hot, not too cold. 70 degrees in Hammond this afternoon, 72 in Bogalusa, 68 in New Orleans, a little bit cooler down here along the coast in the low 60s, whereas you're in the upper 60s out in the Bayou parishes later on today, and we'll be slightly above normal for today as well. The average high is only 64 this time of year. 64 is the high tomorrow. Weak cold front blows in and it just keeps us in the 60s here. We see a brief spike on Friday, but notice staying in the 60s all the way through the weekend. So there's really no major temperature swings coming through the rest of this week and even into early next week. Here's the bigger story though, and it's the threat for heavy rain come this weekend. Friday parades are looking fine. Saturday parades, a lot of eyes are going to be on that. And then Sunday, the way it looks right now, Sunday is probably going to be okay. I think Saturday is going to be the biggest problem for us as we get out there parading. So here's what the parade planner looks like at least Friday through Sunday. Friday's fine. Friday evening, if you're heading out to line up, maybe you're going uptown, it'll be in the low 60s that evening, but should be clear and no major issues. Now Saturday starts off fine, but as we go through the day, it looks like storms are moving in, and then hopefully they move in and get out and we can just look at a mostly dry Sunday. So overall, Saturday is looking like the main day for the rain still. And if you've been watching the past couple of days, there hasn't been any major changes in our thinking. So Saturday forecast starting off mostly dry, but rain chances will likely increase through the afternoon. And I have our highest rain chances Saturday late afternoon going towards sunset. Now, with that being said, this is still days and days away. And whenever you talk about forecasting and using models to show you the forecast, one thing, this storm system really isn't in the U.S. yet, meaning it's sitting over the Pacific Ocean and we're not really sampling it. We're kind of guessing what it's doing essentially. Now, once this storm system gets over California in about 1 to 2 days, the weather balloons that we send up all over the country, they will start sampling the atmosphere. The information from those weather balloons are put into the models, and the models typically start performing better. So there's still some lack of confidence, we'll say, an exact timing, but it has been honing in on during the afternoon or evening on Saturday. But once we get the storm system inland later tomorrow through tomorrow, our confidence will really grow. And until that happens, we'll say, just know you need to be checking back frequently, especially if you're planning to go to any of the parades on Saturday. But yes, if you are part of the cruise, you need to be thinking about the backup plan just in case. Could be heavy rain, could be some strong wind with some of those thunderstorms. Their marine forecast looking great, just some variable winds the next couple of days, but no major chop. And look at your tides. Your high tides are happening this morning right now, and your low tides are happening later through the day.